Hello guys, you're welcome back to this platform, Top Gossip 24. I have a very fine message for all Nigerians and Igbos living in Ghana. And I want you guys to listen to me carefully because this is going to be my last words for all of you. It is very, very important. Let's go and take a look at the message.
Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. You're welcome back to this platform, Top Gossip 24. Now, today I have one of the hardest, the strongest, and unapologetic words, okay, for all Nigerians, okay, and can those coming on my comment section to comment below. Now, if you listen to me and you're Nigerian, I'm not sorry about the entire thing I'm coming to say here, because number one, you guys are disgracing Africa. Number two, you guys are disgracing the entire continent. Number three, you guys are disgracing West Africa. Number four, you guys are disgracing yourselves. Number five, your president is disgracing all of you. And number six, you guys are messing up everybody in Africa. So I won't stop talking about Nigeria. I will never stop talking about it. I will only stop talking about Nigeria, number one, when you guys stop your 419 activities. Number two, until you guys stop your scamming activities. Number three, until you guys stop doing your computer theft. Okay. Number four, until you guys stop doing kidnapping. Number five, until you guys stop doing what do you call money rituals. If you guys don't stop all these things, I will never on my page stop talking about Nigeria, because I think that until we address this issue in Nigeria will continue to be like this, and most of the African countries will suffer, because you guys are bringing your bedding, your trouble, your mess, your criminal activities, your buying of people, and your kidnapping everywhere in every African country you go. So I will never stop talking about Nigeria. So if you are in the comment section and you think that I will stop talking about Nigeria, it's a lie. I will never stop. I will continue to talk about Ghana, Nigeria issue on this page until I see that, number one, you have a president that is able to hold the country together. Number two, until you guys stop doing what you are doing to the Christians living in Nigeria. Number four, until you guys are able to live with yourself together. I saw a video a while ago where in Lagos State, Igbos are being chased out. Ask yourself why. Because of their character, because of their behavior, because of their choice of word, because they don't respect anybody. They are being changed everywhere. So if you're Nigerian and you are listening to me, listen carefully. I will deal with you guys on this platform. I'm telling you, until I see a change, I will never stop. Look, I've stayed with Nigerians before when I used to be in Dubai, and you guys don't know how to respect people. Respect is not part of you, some of you, at all. Wherever you go, fight. If not fight, argument. Wherever you go, shout. If not shout, argument. So I'll deal with you guys on this page. Now, if you think that if you come to this page and you come and comment about something, some people come and comment propaganda, some people come and throw insults at me, some people come in and say all manner of things. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to address you Nigerians, and address your president, and address your parliament, and address everybody in your country who is doing the wrong things. Okay, those doing the right things, they have their way, but for me, because of the wrong things, I will never stop talking about Nigeria in my life. I will continue to do it until one day Nigeria will be Nigeria and they will behave well as a giant of Africa. But for now, as far as I'm concerned, giant my foot. Because look, you guys don't have good electricity in your country. Your security is haywire. Even though you have oil, you guys have your oil price is higher. So I don't really understand why I should give you guys that credit. No, I won't. Look, I've checked on social media a while ago. I see a bunch of Nigerians coming to Ghana and they feel like Ghana is heaven. Ghana is safe heaven. Some of them, when they go back home from Ghana to Nigeria, they call them bogus. Unbelievable. Wow. A Nigerian traveling to Ghana, going back, they call you a bugger. And then you come and sit on social media and want to throw tentacles, then you are welcome to this page, because me, as far as I'm concerned on this platform, I'm going to deal with you guys until you stop the mess you are causing in the whole of Africa. Now, before these issues, before all these hula balloons, and before all this self-acclaimed Igbo king issue and all that, we guys know, say, Ghanaians are living peacefully with all of you. I've had a little bit of encounter with some Nigerians living in my shop and behave and misbehave, and I throw them out. So for me, if you come to me and you want to misbehave, I'll throw you out totally. Now let me just go ahead and talk about this thing I want to talk about. For all of you coming to comment in my comment section, I want to ask you questions, and I want you to be sincere to yourself. Okay, first thing, if a Ghanaian travel to Nigeria, open a place or buy a land, build his house, and then start calling himself Igwe or start calling himself a king, what are you guys going to do in the first place? I want you to know. Be honest to yourself. All of you that keep commenting down there, I want you to comment and tell me what you think you are going to do if a Ghanaian travel to Nigeria and start doing what your self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king is doing. Tell me exactly what you are going to do. Now, if a Ghanaian travel to Nigeria and start kidnapping people, hiring places to stay, and when you hire a place to stay, 10 people will stay in the room, 15 people will stay in the room, and they will be doing olosho and a shower, smoking all over the place. There's a place in Nungwa, I know more than 50 Nigerians staying in one house, and I will expose them one of these days. 50. They go a shower, they go olosho, the boys stay in the room and do computer thing 24/7 because there's light in Ghana, so they can do like they do shift system. People do 12 hours and some people do another hours because they have access to free electricity and internet 24/7. Are you guys not ashamed of yourself, Nigerian? If you call yourself big brothers, if you guys call yourself big brothers of Africa, are you guys not ashamed that under this condition, every country is mentioning your name? Are you guys not ashamed? Are you guys not thinking of how to solve your own problem in your own country? And even electricity, when you have gas flowing 24/7, you have gas in your country 24/7, you are not thinking of how you can build your own gas plant so you can have electricity with turbine making electricity for you. Now you guys cannot think outside the box and solve your own problem. When you wake up, you see Ghana and say small Ghana, small this, small that, small this, small that. And let me address you. If you are not ashamed, and there's one thing about Nigerians, to be honest, let me tell you guys, Nigerians don't have a single shame. I'm not surprised. You guys don't have a single shame. One shame like this, you don't have. One shame like this. Check the statistics of what is going on in Ghana. The crime rate from January until today, October. If you check the number of crime, the number of people that have been arrested based on crime, based on stealing, based on armed robbery, based on buying people, based on money ritual stuff, check, and you see that a number of them are Nigerians. Travel to Insawam and you see that a bunch of Nigerians are there. Enkanka, the Igbo people, because they want to make money at all costs. So you guys don't know that this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. You guys don't know that. Everything you guys believe in is that every money is money. I'm sorry to tell you guys that if you come to Ghana, not every money is money, not every business is business. A Ghanaian want to make sure that we'll do a legitimate business. Without that, we are not doing anything. Now, I listened to one guy the last time asking questions that how many Ghanaians will go to Nigeria and they will go and just want to be have a citizen of Nigeria or become a Nigeria citizen or become a permanent resident in Ghana. I am sorry to tell you that Ghanaians will never do that. We ain't gonna do that. Trust me, we will never do it because we don't want to be citizens of Nigeria. Neither do we want to have a permanent resident in Nigeria because the country itself is not stable. Your government system is not stable. Your roads are very bad. Your light system are very bad. Everything in Nigeria is just not the best. So what do you think that a Ghanaian will travel all the way and come and say, oh, I'm coming to stay in Nigeria? Look, what Ghanaians are doing in Nigeria, they just come and buy stuff and walk away. Buy stuff and walk away. Because one Ghana cedis is big in Nigeria. When you have 6,500 Ghana cedis, it's over 1 million naira. Over 1 million naira in Nigeria. So you guys don't have the value of your money is total disgraceful. So you guys have to keep quiet and stop calling yourself giant, because for some of us, giant our foot. This message I'm sending it to all Nigerians. Keep your mouth shut and don't say one word. I'm saying that as far as Ghana, Nigeria is concerned, I will never stop talking about Nigeria. You know why? You guys have the highest population, you guys have the highest oil, yet you are not able to solve your own problem. And you keep burdening people, you keep burdening all the countries all over the world. Everywhere you go, you find a Nigeria. Everywhere you go, you find them. And even when you find them and they are supposed to do the good things, 85% are doing the bad thing. So what do you think people will do? When you talk, you say they hate you. So this message is going to all the Nigerians in my comment section. Listen, if you come to my comment section and you think that you're going to say something and I'm going to leave it to go, no way. I will come and respond to it. I will definitely respond. You know why I will respond to it? I will respond because you guys are not ashamed of your deeds. You are not. You are not. So I have to respond to each of you. So keep coming and I'll keep responding. If you think it's a propaganda, everything I have said here has happened. I told you guys the last time. Everything. I told you there's a meeting going on in Hinetu house. And Chabia, then we saw pictures of Barrister and some other guys coming out in Barrister in his house. Am I lying? That is it. It's happening. I told you guys somebody is feeding them information from the police headquarters. And China, there's an allegation of something going on. So you guys think it's a lie. That is a typical Nigerian for you. Anything that you want to say about Nigerian, they will ask you if you have evidence. Even if the evidence is staring at their foreface, in their naked eyes, they will ask you if you have evidence. So this message go to all Nigerians. Please, for those coming to Ghana to come and be making the videos and telling people there's light, there's this, there's that, please stop it. Stop it. Stop it now. Stop it now. For those Nigerians coming to Ghana, coming to show your friends how Ghana look like, stop it now. It's about time you stop it. Because you know what you are doing? You are advertising Ghana to your other Nigerians who are struggling in Nigeria for them to come to Ghana. We don't have space anymore, please. We don't. Stop it. Okay? Stop it. Build your own. Be more confident and build your own. If I were you guys, instead of running away from our countries, we will stay. We will stay in Nigeria and cause our government and push our government and push Tinubu to solve the problems. But if you leave Tinubu alone, he will be sleeping on a job. That is how he's sleeping. Anywhere he goes, he sleeps. Okay? Anywhere your president goes, he sleeps. And that is why you guys keep begging that you need John Mahama one day to come and rule Nigeria. That's all you guys are begging for. I'm sorry, but that is what I have to say. Because of the number of Nigerians coming down here to come and comment on my comment section. Respect yourself when you comment. If you comment and you don't comment well, trust me, Top Gossip, because I've lived with you guys before, I will definitely come and respond to you. And that is why I'm making this video for all of you. Okay? Come and carry yourself acclaimed Igbo King all the way to Nigeria. Carry him off. We don't want him in Ghana. We don't. I'm telling you guys. And guys, listen carefully. The citizen arrest is coming on. Whether you guys like it or not, whether you position Ghanaians there or not, whether you position military there or not, whether you position police there or not, because Ghanaians want to know who is supporting you. So when you position a police there, we know what is going on. It is very, very important we do that, because you guys are disgracing Africa. To be honest, you are disgracing West Africa. To be honest, when we talk, you guys say, oh, Ghana is your neighbor. No, Ghana is not your neighbor. Cameroon is there. Togo is there. Why can't you guys go to these countries and then you rush to Ghana, come and be doing all the 419? Again, before I leave, mothers, fathers, children, wives, kids, be careful with any Nigerian in your environment. Please, when they come, they will come like a sheep, very quiet. And then when they get to know everything, they will start doing scatty. They will start behaving like a goat. So please, your house, don't rent it out. Your room, don't rent it out. Your shop, don't rent it out. Don't give them anything. We have to stop. And those selling houses to Nigerians, disease from it. Disease from it. It's crazy. Stop it. Stop now. We don't have to do that. Okay? Let's know how to handle our own thing. This message go to all Nigerians out there. Go back to your country. Bow your heads in shame and go back to your country. Fix it. Fix your own country. Fix it. If you don't fix it, stop coming to Ghana. Honestly, because when you come, you won't stay in peace. You come in to pack our girls and give birth with them 10, 15, and then you use some of them their head or use the kids' head to make money, come back and come and do all those things. So this message go to all the Nigerians coming to comment below. For me, when you do this, I'll come at you. And if you do it again, I'll come again, because I have more messages for you guys. That's the Pia Yeko.